train has just left Brighton Station, bound for London St Pancras, or bound for Cambridge actually, but we're getting off at London St Pancras. The train slows down as it runs into Burgess Hill Station. Going out of Burgess Hill.
Edgeworth Garden City, Baldock, Ashwell and Moorland, Royston and Cambridge.
Haywards Heath Station. The train is leaving Haywards Heath Station. Lovely view of the Sussex countryside. The train slows down as it approaches 3 bridges. Every time my wife goes through 3 Bridges station, she always wants to know why it is called 3 Bridges. I suppose it's fairly obvious, but no one has come forward and volunteered the factual information as yet. We're now leaving 3 Bridges. The next stop will be Gatwick Airport.
Shortly arriving at Gatwick Airport. Change here for other national rail services. Please make sure you have all your belongings and take care as you leave the train.
Oyster and contract payments may only be used on certain routes and at specific stations. Check the entrance doors for
Gatwick. I will need you, I'm afraid, to grab your stuff and make your way onto the platform. This has literally just been made, this decision. I'm not entirely sure why. I think that there's a problem with a relief driver for me a bit further up the road. So they want me to turn back and take it from this dock to 3 Bridges depot. So what's going on, really sorry about that. This train has now been cancelled here at Gatwick. 100,000 apologies to you, and I'm sorry if you've only just been told that as well. I don't like having to deliver bad news in this way, but yes, if you could make your way onto the platform, please, as this train is now been taken out of service.
The train is leaving Gatwick Airport Station.
Nanny's drink. Yeah, very sugary. I need the sugar, putting up with you. I need to be hyper. No. Keep up with you. That's what I buy you sugar free. What? Who's your mum like?
And Mum didn't do me either. I'm husband.
I bet you are. No, calm down. Yeah, I know you are.
Oh, do you have a phone book, Dad?
I doubt it.
I'll tell him.
No, don't open it. We'll get one step we can open
How do I close that? Try the tenant.
Horley Station, just outside of Gatwick.
Because when we were on the other train, so I'm going to go, right, I've had him for
These butlers.
I've had him for an hour.
All the butlers again.
They grow anyway, don't
I've not seen so many together as this before. The next station is East Croydon. So now stopping at East Croydon Station. And this is Norwood Junction, where the train is going at walking pace, but it's not scheduled to stop. The train is now moving out of Norwood Junction. And the next scheduled stop is London Bridge. Penge West, Forest Hill, airport, airplane up there, look. Watching the flight past to Heathrow Airport. Brockley. Just going through Brockley Station now.
We will shortly be arriving at London Bridge. Change here for other National Rail services. Also change here for Jubilee and Northern lines. Exit here for riverboat services from London Bridge, City Pier, Tower Bridge and the Shard. The doors will open automatically at the next station.
The train is just running into London Bridge Station
The shark.
now.
I can see the shark. I can see the shark. I can see the player in the
Moving out of London Bridge Station. What's the next station, Joan? London Eye in the distance there.
We will shortly be arriving at London Blackfriars. Change here for the Circle and District line. Exit here for riverboat services from Blackfriars Pier, the South Bank and the Tate Modern. The doors will open automatically at the next station.
This is Blackfriars Station with views along the Thames towards Waterloo and central London. The train pulling out of Blackfriars Station. Again, views along the Thames in the direction of Westminster. This is City Thames Link station, moving out of Thames Link, City Thames Link. I believe the next station will be Farringdon. This is now Farringdon Station. Train is arriving at St Pancras Station.